Alright guys, so what's going on? This is a little behind the scenes on how I get set it. Gotta close this window. Those birds chirp so much. Alright guys, we all here, we all back. What's good YouTube? It's your man, Thesonofsomeman.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking me out today. If you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that one subscriber to help us get that much more closer. But anyway guys, jumping right into today's video. Also guys, if you are brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time I drop a brand new video, so please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below. And it'll do just that, let you know every time I drop a brand new video. Now, in today's video, I'm a little excited because personally, I love Air Jordan 2. Last week, this pair came out. And we all know about the bull crap, you know, that went on with their website and whatnot. But I seen them at this price on GOAT, and let's just be real, I had to have them. Now, let me see if I can open this up. I don't have that knife, I don't know where I put it, but we'll check it out. You don't need a knife when you got the keys on you. Now this morning, I went after those Air Jordan 1 stashes, and of course they sold out. Sold out immediately, dude. Immediately. Everyone's talking about how they don't like them, this, and that. That's all I heard, They don't like it, they don't like it, they don't like it. But yet, come release day, they don't keep the same energy. They just keep on and keep on and keep on and keep on taking all the shoes. Here we go, guys. We have it. The Air Jordan 2 Union. Now, this is my first Union collab. So, please excuse the enthusiasm. It says date product of holiday 2021. That I don't get. Woo. Okay, everything looking right. I don't know what this is. From GOAT. Oh, from GOAT. Verified from GOAT. Color. Look at this. Color, material, structure, stitching, sole, label, tag, SKU, size, left, right, shoe condition, box condition, accessories. Quality control. I've never seen that before. And I really don't order off of GOAT, so. Okay, we'll put that down. Ooh-wee. Let's take a look at these bad boys. And I've always been a fan of the Air Jordan 2. But here it is, guys. The Air Jordan 2 Union Gray Fog. Now, there's so many, details I want to go over, but we're going to do that in the review of this sneaker. So please stay tuned. Also, I want to get its companion that goes with them. The Rattan, whatever you want to call the, the brother or sister of this shoe right here. But these are fly, guys. Yeah, man. Review's going to be pretty. Yeah. Review. I'm so hyped to put these on already, dog, but we shall see in the review because I will be doing an on foot, so please stay tuned. We got them, guys, the Air Jordan 2 Union. Alright guys, let's check out the second one. Got your laces, you got the gray ones, and you got these yellow ones. Everything seems pretty good. The only thing I like to speak about, they talk about quality control. Can you see that, guys? That little nick in the back there. I mean, it's not much, but they talk about quality control. Right there is, should have got a few bucks off. But yeah, this is it, guys. Make sure you let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of this actual pair. I love it. I really do love it. Like I said, I got to get the sibling that goes to it. Eventually, one day, I'd like to get the Air Jordan 1s too. The Union collab. really dope, but those things are thousands of dollars, and honestly, I really don't like spending thousands of dollars on, you know, that shoe. But if I had thousands of dollars, would I spend it? Yeah, but that's just not going to be it for me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys. I do it from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, it is your man, Thesonofsomeman, and we are out, guys. Peace.